Hi guys. Let's start with book editing. If you have the mind of a literary, here's another interesting idea to make money from this e-commerce giant. Have you ever thought of publishing a book? Today, thanks to the dematerialization and expansion of the digital world, anyone can share their own novels or essays. You can even consider doing your job. Here are some tips for this activity to earn you a lot of money. Creating your Kindle book is very simple. To publish your book on the web and for it to generate income, the ideal remains to use the platform Amazon Kindle, which dominates in the sector of the online edition. Open to all, it is easy to handle and allows wide distribution of books. To begin, write your book in word processing software like Word or OpenOffice. It is not enough to think about the story or the very content of the book, but to anticipate all the elements that will constitute it, its cover, its possible illustrations and its summary. When you think that your book is completely ready for publication, just open an account on Amazon Kindle and transfer the document. It will be available on the platform. In digital format, your book allows you to make more money than if you choose paper-based printing. Indeed, on average, on a real book sold €20, the author receives just €1, because it must assume all printing costs. On the web, each sale can earn you more, which can, at the end of the month, make the difference in your bank account. Amazon KDP. To publish on Amazon Kindle, the first step is of course to connect to KDP. Then set your account, last name, first name, address, bank details. Click on Add a new title and then enter the book information, title, description, ISBN number of your book. Confirm your rights, if you have copyright. If not, then your book is in the public domain. Target your readers. The headings are like the rays of a bookstore: fiction, thrillers. Select your keywords, up to 7 keywords. They correspond to the words that readers are searching on Amazon. Preferably, try several Amazon searches yourself to see the automatically suggested words. The publication mode of your book. The option in pre-order can be interesting. It allows to gain visibility before the final release of your book. Coverage. You can achieve it thanks to the cover creator proposed by KDP. This tool is really good if you do not want to get bored and do something clean quickly. The creator offers images that you can use as well as layouts. Download the file of your book. Digital rights are supposed to avoid the piracy of your ebook but are easily controllable. They are thus useless and sometimes not appreciated. Your book will automatically convert to Kindle. There is now an Amazon tool, Kindle Create, that allows you to create your ebook very easily. The price of the book. At the time of publishing on Amazon Kindle, one has the choice between 35% or 70% of royalty. If you prefer the 70% royalty, your selling price must be between €2.60 and €9.70, not belonging to the public domain. In all other cases, the 35% fee will be applied. How to make his Kindle book known. Publishing a book on Amazon Kindle is a first step. To increase sales and therefore profits, you must make it known. In this perspective, do not hesitate to announce the release of your writing everywhere around you, on social networks, of course, but also with your loved ones and even at work. Never underestimate the power of word of mouth. If you start to discover that you have published something, the more curious will necessarily want to know more. The ideal way to sell a maximum of ebooks is to set up an important communication campaign on the web. If you have a blog, you should write articles related to your book, not forgetting to insert links to the page to buy it on Amazon. The role of the influencers is also crucial. If you manage to contact them, offer them the reading of your work, in order to get a ticket on their own website. Video support is also great for promoting an ebook. If you already have a YouTube channel that brings together a larger or smaller community, register, talk about your story, and never forget the hyperlink to the product listing for your book, to increase sales again. How to attract readers. Concretely, even if you put in place the best advertising campaigns, you will not reach your goals if your book does not interest. Thus, it is necessary to select a carrier subject, on which you are comfortable and which can interest maximum of people. The choice of the title is a decisive element. Writing an ebook to publish on Amazon is within everyone's reach. There is no need to invest money to cover publishing costs, and registration on the Publish to Kindle program is completely free. Nothing prevents you from trying. On the other hand, to meet this success, it will be necessary to privilege the originality, because more and more digital books engage in a ruthless competition on the platform. How it works. Self-publishing consists of publishing a book yourself, without going through a publisher. You write it, you read it again, you put it online and you're done. Your book is available worldwide. The main advantage is that you are no longer to be accepted by a publishing house. Your role will not only be limited to writing, but you will also need to do marketing, in order to get you relayed through literary blogs. If you write a nice book, and you get to talk about you, then it's in your pocket. Can we really succeed in self-publishing? Of course. People who have decided to write, who have published their book on Amazon and have begun to make themselves known. So, do not hesitate, because anyone can succeed. Other example. Editions.net. How IT works. The operation of Editions.net is extremely simple. You download your book to the standards of Editions.net. A committee studies it. If your book is accepted, your book is published by Editions.net. Your book will be available for sale on Editions.net within 48 hours. Your file must respect layout and the typographic charter of the Editions.net. Thanks to the tools that the Editions of the Net put at your disposal, you can compose your book by downloading the chart and a mock-up ready to help you. That's all for today. See you in another video.